Hi, I'm Kathleen Daracas. I'm the head of the City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office of Malabon. Welcome to Malabon City.
Yes ma'am, you have this program this afternoon, yung Ginoo at Binibining Malabon. Is this part of the tourism program?
Yes, in fact, we are celebrating the Bobong Festival, and that will start on April 21st, which is our 23rd cityhood. Until May 21, we will have our 425th day, Foundation Day of Malabon City. So it's like a 1-month-long celebration, and the 2024 Ginoo at Binibining Malabon ay isa lamang po sa programa na nakapasok sa celebration natin ng Bobong Festival.
Paano nyo po imbitahin ang mga turista na pumunta ng Malabon? What do you have here?
Oh, we have so much history, very rich history in Malabon, no? Isa sa pinagmamalaki namin, yung San Bartolome Church, or yung San Bartolome Church, which is a 409-year-old church po namin dito sa Malabon. And sino bang hindi nakakakilala sa Pansit Malabon? So dito po yan nag-originate sa amin sa Malabon City. And we have the Dampalit Mega Dike, which is an 8-kilometer dike where ecotourism is being promoted, and we have a lot of water activities po, no, soon na mangyayari po dun sa dike.
At syempre, pag sinabing isda, Malabon yun.
Definitely, kasi kilala po yung Malabon sa seafoods dahil nga being a coastal community, no? Kaya puntahan po ninyo kami at marami po tayong mga fresh seafoods na titikman at malalasaw dito po sa Malabon City.
Meron lang akong konting question ha. So meron bang academic program si Mayor Sandoval na para yung mga youth, mga estudyante ma-empower?
Ang Malabon kasi bilang isang lokal na pamahalaan, meron kaming government-run university. We call it the City of Malabon University.
Yeah.
So dahil dyan, lahat ng nag-aaral na taga Malabon ay scholar
Walang bayad.
ng City Government of Malabon po. So in short, wala po silang bayad. So in that way, no, na i-educate natin sila. At the same time, we nurture new leaders here in Malabon, and we empower these youth to make their advocacy. No? And at the same time, wala po silang binabayarang tuition pagdating sa eskwela. Ang from first year hanggang fourth year po nila.
Talaga? All free?
Yes.
Meron ba marami ba sa kanila na nag-enroll sa tourism courses?
Unfortunately, wala tayong
Ay, wala
tourism
pa.
course.
So yun, kasama ba yun sa program ng government?
But then we have journalism,
Oh.
we produce educators, and we have criminology students, and they, even if they're not really directly linked with tourism, they help us by becoming our intern during the general internship program. At the same time, yung OJT namin, no? So, nag-expose po sila sa amin sa local government sa Malabon, and there we empower them, and there we mobilize them to promote tourism.
Okay.